Hey guys, back again. Gonna do another thing with this. What I'm planning on doing is I'm going to be adding these LED strips. Now I'm going to put one here at the bottom and I'm going to put another one at the top. Now how these things work is you get a cable here that kind of splits off like this. This end plugs in the motherboard. It's just a 4-pin connector. It's 12 volts G, R, and B. You got to make sure your motherboard supports it. This is the brand that I bought, Fantech. Now watch out for the light. It's too much light maybe. But the reason I got this is because it specifically supports MSI motherboards, Mystic Light Sync. So the first thing you have to do is you got to put this upside down. So I'm going to tilt this down just a little bit. Is you have these things laying down, and it comes with adhesive strips. So we take a strip, getting it started is usually what comes to these is usually the fun part. Okay, so we now have the adhesive strip all the way across. So we need to make sure that the cable, okay, so this plugs in here. This cable goes to an extension. This cable plugs into here. So we want to make sure that we have that available. So we're going to turn it around. We're going to put this all the way up against the front. And we want to make sure we got it nice and straight. Because this is going to be behind the glass. There is a black strip of paint that's on the glass. And so now we want to take our connector and we want to plug it in. Oops. There's a little key on it. Get that connected. Then we have an extension cable. It goes into here. Then we have our second LED strip. And then we have to put our little adhesive strips on here too. Now we want to make sure back of this connector is a male. We want to make sure we put the female side pointing towards the back of the computer. So this one going right up there. Before I tuck it all the way in, I want to connect it. Now tuck it all the way up inside there. Tuck in this cable. Now, let me see if I can show you on the motherboard. There is a, see if I can get right up in there. There's a J. Boy, none of this likes to. Right. You can't see the connector. It's right there. It says JLED1. It's that 4-pin connector right there. But I don't know why my camera won't focus in on it. That's it right there, JLED1. You just make sure that the connector, the 12-volt connector, which is, it has it written on the motherboard, is all the way on the left. Matches up with that. So here we have that in. We have power. We should get some lights. So there's what it looks like. All the lights. You got to download a program that'll run on Windows for MSI for the motherboard, and you can change colors and do all kinds of stuff with it if you want. But enjoy. Leave some comments. Subscribe. Have a good one.